This 2026 Prime Time Avenger 26 DBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.